Hey, changemakers. Welcome to Mind Off YouTube meditation channel. Today we're talking about something radical, something that has the power to fundamentally shift the trajectory of your life. Have you ever felt stuck? Like you're capable of so much more, but the daily grind, the distractions, the noise of the world just keeps you spinning in place? What if I told you there's a strategy, a commitment, that could lead to an almost unrecognizable transformation in just 6 months? I'm talking about the concept of disappearing for 6 months. Now, before you click away, this isn't about literally vanishing off the face of the earth. This isn't about isolation born from fear. It's about intentional withdrawal for intensive growth. It's about creating a sacred cocoon for yourself, where you can dedicate uninterrupted, focused energy to becoming the person you truly want to be. Why 6 months? It's long enough to build powerful new habits, break old ones, acquire significant knowledge or skills, and see tangible results. It's short enough to feel achievable if you're truly committed. Imagine for 6 months, minimal external noise, less social media scrolling, less comparison, less unproductive social engagements, maximum internal focus, your goals, your health, your learning, your peace. This period is about sculpting yourself, piece by piece, without the world constantly trying to mold you into something else. So, what do you do during these 6 months? This is where the magic happens. You pick key pillars of your life to revolutionize. Your mind. Read voraciously. Books on personal development, biographies of people you admire, psychology, philosophy. Flood your mind with wisdom. Learn. Take an online course. Learn a new language. Delve deep into a subject that fascinates you. Expand your mental horizons. Journal. Reflect. Plan. Process emotions. Track your progress. Understand yourself on a deeper level. Practice mindfulness/meditation. Quiet the mental chatter, build focus, reduce stress. Your body, your temple. Move with intention. Find a form of exercise you genuinely enjoy, lifting, running, yoga, dancing, and commit to it consistently. Transform your physical energy and strength. Nourish yourself. Learn about nutrition. Fuel your body with whole, healthy foods. See how good you can feel when you eat well. Prioritize sleep. This is non-negotiable. Quality sleep is the foundation for everything else. Your skills, your assets. Develop a high-value skill. Something that can advance your career, start a side hustle, or simply bring you joy and mastery. Coding, writing, public speaking, a musical instrument, graphic design. Master your craft. If you're already in a field, dedicate these 6 months to becoming exceptionally good at what you do. Your soul, your core. Define your values. What truly matters to you. Align your actions with these core principles. Heal. If there are past wounds or limiting beliefs holding you back, this is the time to address them through self-reflection, therapy if needed. Connect with nature. Spend time outdoors. It's grounding and rejuvenating. Practice gratitude. Shift your perspective to appreciate what you have, even as you strive for more. Montage of someone looking tired/frustrated at the start, then slowly showing progress, more focused, healthier, more skilled, more serene. End with a shot of this person looking confident, calm, and vibrant. This journey won't be easy. There will be days you want to quit, days the old habits scream to come back. That's why discipline and a clear why are crucial. But imagine emerging after these 6 months, mentally sharper, more knowledgeable, with a clearer perspective, physically stronger, healthier, more energetic than ever before, more skilled, more capable, with new assets to offer the world, emotionally more resilient, peaceful, and deeply connected to your authentic self. You won't just look different, you will feel different. You will be different. The world will perceive you differently because you will radiate a new energy, a new confidence, a new depth. This isn't about impressing others. This is about impressing yourself. It's about unlocking the potential that's been dormant within you. The person who goes into this 6-month cocoon is not the same person who emerges. You will have cultivated resilience, discipline, self-awareness, and an unshakable belief in your ability to create change. So, I ask you, are you tired of feeling stuck? Are you ready for a profound transformation? Are you willing to dedicate 6 months to becoming unrecognizable in the best possible way? This is your invitation to step back, to dig deep, to do the work, to disappear for a season, only to reappear stronger, wiser, and more aligned than you ever thought possible. What's one area you'd focus on if you took this 6-month challenge? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your aspirations. If this message resonated, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on unlocking your potential, and share it with someone who might need to hear this today. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. It just needs your focused, dedicated commitment. You've got this. Subscribe to continue this journey of healing and empowerment with our beautiful community. And please, share your favorite affirmation or a feeling it sparked in the comments below. Your words can be a beacon for others. I truly love connecting with you all.